Hello everyone and welcome to our video series on Learn German for Beginners. In the previous video, you learned how to talk about the weather. In this video, you'll learn how to make an appointment with your friends, or family, or acquaintances. You can download a free worksheet based on this lesson from our page on patreon.com. So let's begin. Lektion 50. Verabredungen. Let's first begin with a few structures that you should know. Die Verabredung. Die Verabredungen. Noch einmal. Die Verabredung. Die Verabredungen. If you have a date with someone, that date is also called Verabredung. Verabredung is something personal that you fix with your friends or family or acquaintances. When an appointment is formal, then you call it der Termin. Die Termine. Noch einmal der Termin. Die Termine. When you make an appointment, you can say eine Verabredung treffen. Noch einmal eine Verabredung treffen. When you confirm an appointment, then you would say eine Verabredung bestätigen. Noch einmal eine Verabredung bestätigen. Now let's look at a sample conversation, after which we'll be doing a few useful phrases. Hallo Ben, wollen wir zusammen in die Stadt gehen? Ja, gern. Wann denn? Heute Abend? Now, if the suggested time and day suits the other person, he will accept the suggestion. Ja, das passt. And if this doesn't suit him, then he could say, Nein, heute kann ich leider nicht. Und morgen? Ja, morgen ist gut. Once you decide when to meet, the conversation goes on. Wann und wo treffen wir uns? Um 6 bei mir? Okay, dann bis morgen. So this was an example of a simple conversation. We'll be doing some useful phrases that you could use when fixing your own personal appointments. You generally begin with making a suggestion. Einen Vorschlag machen. You will notice the perfect form of most verbs written below. If you want to revise perfect, you can do so by watching our video on the same. The link is given below. There are various ways to ask someone out. You can begin with a greeting. Hallo Ben or Hi Ben. Then you could say, Wollen wir zusammen ins Kino gehen? Or Willst du mit mir in den Zoo gehen? There are certainly many other things that you could do. Here are just a few examples. Willst du mit mir in den Park gehen? Oder ins Café gehen? Ins Restaurant gehen? In die Stadt gehen? In die Disco gehen? Essen gehen? Tanzen gehen? Tennis spielen gehen? You can certainly ask for the activity that you want to do. Here the question is being formulated with the modal verb wollen. You can watch our video on wollen if you want to revise it. The link is given below. The question can also be made without the modal verb. Gehen wir zusammen ins Kino? Oder in den Park? Etc. Here are few more other phrases that could be used. Hast du heute Abend etwas vor? Or hast du am Wochenende Zeit? Hast du am Wochenende Lust auf etwas? Or hast du am Freitag Lust auf Tennis? There are many ways to put up a question. Here are some more. Ich möchte gern heute Abend mit dir ins Kino gehen. Or you could simply also say, ich möchte gern am Wochenende in die Disco gehen. And then you can ask, willst du vielleicht mitkommen? Oder hast du Zeit? Oder hast du Lust? Now, after you have asked the other person, your suggestion could be accepted or not. Let's see what can be said when it's accepted. Den Vorschlag annehmen. Annehmen is a trennbares Verb. If you want to revise trennbare Verben, you can do so by watching our video on the same. The link is given below. There are various ways to express yourself when you have accepted a suggestion. You can say, ja gern, das passt. Oder, ja gern, das geht. Here's another example. Ja, Freitag ist gut. Da habe ich Zeit. Or you can say, ja, da habe ich nichts vor. Vorhaben is also a trennbares Verb. Here's another example. Abgemacht, Freitag 18 Uhr. These are just examples. You could use your own day and time. Here's another example. Ja, das ist eine gute Idee. Wann denn? Now let's see what you could say when the suggestion is not accepted. Den Vorschlag ablehnen. The verb ablehnen is also a trennbares Verb. Here you could say, tut mir leid. Oder Entschuldigung. Oder leider kann ich nicht. If you want, you can also give a reason. Ich habe keine Zeit. Or ich habe viel zu tun. Or ich habe keine Lust. Or ich habe am Freitag Tanzkurs. Ich muss viel arbeiten. Oder ich muss meinen Eltern helfen. Here are some other phrases. Da kann ich leider nicht. Ich muss arbeiten. Or da bin ich schon verabredet. Verabredet sein means you already have an appointment. After a suggestion is rejected, there is generally another suggestion made. Einen anderen Vorschlag machen. This could either be made by you or by the other person. Let's learn how to do that. You could say, Freitag geht leider nicht, aber Samstag? Or vielleicht nächste Woche? Geht es nächste Woche? So after accepting your new suggestion, it's good to fix a time and place. Den Vorschlag zusagen, Ort und Zeit festlegen. Both zusagen and festlegen are trennbare Verben. So you can say, das ist gut. Wann und wo treffen wir uns? Or you could simply suggest something. Können wir uns am Donnerstag 11 Uhr treffen? Or simply 6 Uhr bei mir? Oder bei dir? Oder vor dem Kino? Oder 20 Uhr im Restaurant? You can choose your own time and place. So after you have decided the place, the time, and what to do, you can simply say goodbye. Okay, bis dann. Tschüss. And we hope that you enjoy your meeting. Now try to write a short dialogue on your own from the phrases that you have just learned. You can also download a free worksheet based on this lesson from our page on patreon.com. You can find the link below. Great! Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Danke! Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Do click on the bell to receive notifications whenever a new video is uploaded. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen!